Hey you cunts, welcome back to the no bullshit, no fucks given, go fuck your mother cooking show. Voted worst cooking show on YouTube and worst host of all time. Today I'll be reviewing a product that's easier to use than a 15-year-old boy's cock, and half as messy. This is one of those red copper pans you see when you glance over at the TV at 3 a.m. while you get your balls sucked by two AIDS-infected Puerto Rican hookers. Fucking nailed it. You can pick one of these babies up for a dime bag of Coke and a sloppy hand job. Just gonna cook up some swine flesh to show you the ropes. Just heat it up, you don't even have to rub ball sweat on it or nothing. If you're obsessive compulsive and a round pan makes you want to go on a school shooting, ease your mind with this perfect fit. Then go shoot up the school anyway. If your bacon takes on a female womb-like shape, then you're doing well. If you want something that takes all the skill needed out of cooking, this is the product for you. It's kind of like your first time doing meth. Cheap, easy, and effective. I mean, look at this shit, it's fucking cheating. If you're a seasoned chef, this pan will be about as boring to you as a fat, feminist waitress. Yawn. Then you have all this hot bacon grease to dump all over Jehovah's Witnesses when they come to the door. There you have it, folks. The pan that fucking nothing will stick to. Great for taking a shit in and flinging it at your friends and family. And no, Red Copper brand would not dream of paying me to do this video. I am just an unoriginal cunt. Anyway, if you like this video, good. If you didn't like this video, even better. Have a great fucking day. See you next time, you cunts.